Hello, my name is Mike. I'm with bestrugprices.com, and today I'm doing a video to talk about our website and to tell you a little bit about some of the things that we can offer you that are going to save you all kind of time and a lot of money when you're shopping for an area rug. If you've ever been out locally shopping for an area rug, you just want to go to a store and buy a nice rug and take it home. My guess is you've come home frustrated because they're hard to find. Most of the floor covering stores have gotten out of the area rug business. They just don't exist anymore. The few stores that do have rugs in them are usually relics from many years ago that haven't sold, and the stores usually have them ridiculously overpriced. So it can become a very frustrating task to just go out and buy an everyday rug. That's why most people these days are shopping online, and most of the area rugs that are available are online. And that can be really a challenging task in of itself because when you buy something online like an area rug, you really never know what you're getting. I mean, you see a picture or two and you think, oh, that might be pretty, and I'll give it a shot. Well, you buy it today, and are you going to get it in the 4 or 5 days that they tell you online, or are you going to get it in 2 years? Is that rug going to come in like the picture really nice, or is it going to come in completely different and just look like junk? So you just never know what you're going to buy, and that's where we come in at bestrugprices.com. So I want to show you our very simple site and why you should use us, and just how we're going to save you all kind of time and money. So I'm going to switch over to our site real quick, and here it is. Our site's very simple. We have 3 sections to it. We have a main page, we have a section called Ask the Flooring Pro, and we have a B Floor blog. Well, what we're on right now is our main page, and the reason you should use us is this. For one, our site is completely free. This site doesn't charge anybody any money at all, so you can use us as much as you want, and we're never going to charge you anything. We're not going to ask for a credit card number. We're not going to ask for any money ever. So our site's not only free, but what it's going to do is save you time in this way. When you start searching for an area rug online, where do you go? What sites do you believe? What sites do you not believe? How do you know you're getting the best deal? So what we do is we scan these sites for you ahead of time. We've been in the flooring business a really long time. So we go to these sites and we make recommendations for our viewers. And we base those recommendations not only on price, but we also look at speed of shipping. We look at the materials that the rugs are made out of, and we look at customer reviews. I mean, are people happy with the products? Are they buying? Are they giving it horrible reviews where it's just a piece of junk? So we combine all this information, and then we come up with recommendations for our viewers. So when you start your shopping with us online for your rug, you're going to be able to go right to the source of where the best deal is, and you're going to be able to get some information right away to determine how much money you're going to need to spend to get the type of rug that you want to buy. So let's say, and here's how it works. So let's say you already know what style of rug you want, and you're searching that way. So you want an oriental rug, or maybe you just want a black solid rug for a bedroom, or whatever the style may be. We can shop that way right here. So here we are. You want an outdoor rug? If it's the summertime, click here. You want a solid color rug? Click here. You want a natural rug? You can go down here and click this box, and we're going to take you right to the site that has the best deal going on. So instead of spending hours, days, weeks surfing the internet, not really knowing what you're doing, you can come to our site for free, and we're going to take you right to where the best site is in seconds. Well, let's say you don't have any idea what style you want, but you know how big your room is, and you're looking for a 5x8 rug, or a 9x12, or 8x10. Well, you can shop that way, and we're going to take you to the site that has what we feel is the best deals going on for that size of rug. It's a very, very simple site. Again, it's completely free. We also, promote deals that we find going on a given month. This month, for example, we found a site that has a new loom Moroccan rug a deal going on. That's an awesome site. We have a blog, which I'll get to in a second, and that's it. That's our main page. It's, I mean, ridiculously simple. It's going to take you seconds to maneuver around on, and it's going to take you right to where the best deal is. So, imagine, you've been out shopping locally, you come home frustrated because you can't find any rugs you like. Then you start shopping online and you go from site A to site B to site C, and they all have different stuff. They all have different prices, different terminology, different warranties. It's just a mess. So why go that way when you can come to us at bestrugprices.com for free and then pick the type of rug or size rug you want, and we're going to take you right to the site that's got the best deal. And you don't have to buy from our recommendations, but what it is going to do is going to give you a great jump start into your shopping experience, because you're going to be able to see what we think is the best deal going on, and then you can use that information to buy your rug or continue your shopping. But you're at least going to have some guidelines to go by to know, how much a rug should cost for that particular style or size. And that's our main page. So the other part we have is, I'll show you our B-Floor blog real quick. If you're somebody that likes to read articles and really research stuff, if you're looking for inspiration ideas on what's popular in the calendar year for flooring, or inspiration ideas on what the best products are to put on your kitchen floor, I mean, we have articles about that stuff. And then in each article, for example, we also put videos, and then we have all kind of reference links in those blog posts. So if you really want to deep dive on the internet and research stuff, we have those articles available to you. And it's called our B-Floor blog. The other cool feature of our site is called Ask the Flooring Pro. And here's how this works. We get questions asked to us every single day on all kind of different floor covering topics. Could be product questions, what product is better than the other one. It could be cleaning and maintenance tips. It might be budgeting questions. How much money do I need to save to redo my bedroom? That sort of thing. Well, what we're doing is we're making a list of these questions, and then we're doing short 3-4 minute videos on each topic, and then we're hosting them all on this page called Ask the Flooring Pro. So it's really a cool thing, because you can use us as a resource tool. So we separate it by product type, like right here at the top. We're talking about luxury vinyl tile and plank flooring. So let's say you've been in a store and you really like some plank flooring for your living room, but you come home and I don't know whether or not this is going to work. I mean, my 100-pound dog runs around a lot. Is my dog going to destroy my floor? Well, right down here is a video. Will my dog's nails scratch my vinyl plank floor? You can click that, and we're going to take you right to a page or a video page on our site. You don't even have to leave the site, where we're going to answer that question. And, so all you have to do is go down and you see all these questions that we've already answered about vinyl plank flooring that's going to help you decide whether it's the right product for you. And then we have some general topics. We're just getting started on this right now. We've got 33 videos published. We're adding to it daily. So it's a great resource tool for you to look at to help you buy your flooring. And by the way, if you don't see your topic here, the other cool thing is at the bottom of the page, we're offering a section here where you can submit a question to us, and then we'll make a video about your question. So it's just a great feature. We call it Ask the Flooring Pro. And, again, it's completely free. You can use us as a resource tool anytime you like. So I'm going to switch back to our main page. But again, we're at bestrugprices.com. Our area rug page is very simple to use. We'd love for you to come visit us if you're in the market for an everyday area rug. we think we can help guide you in the direction to where some great deals are and to really save you a lot of time and money. Thank you very much.